That definitely didn't, okay?
What?
It looked like you were just...
Fuck's sake. Half of it's gone.
Huh?
Half of it's come off.
This is what happens when you don't have anything to cut metal with. You just end up
Well, no, I
bending
do.
it.
It's just fucking dead. My angle grinder.
It's dead too. That's a bit dirty.
Fuck's sake.
Fuck it. Oh, God. Caveman. You're not gonna bend. You're not gonna rip the metal.
Oh, it's, I just did.
Yeah.
But it's ripping the wrong way now.
You can be like let it rip, Beyblade style. This is the Marina project. It's actually starting with the welding after 10 years. 10 years. And then, yeah, we sprayed this, we sanded it all back in that. I'm kind of going to have to do it the budget way, so, but it's all good, because we are budget people. Hard graft.
It's getting easier.
Fuck. Cap. December. George, do you remember in your first video when you used to just walked around the bread van's engine just getting everything wrong?
Yeah. I pointed out the solenoid and said that it was the fuel filter. Then
Yeah.
I pointed out the wiper motor.
How
and said
can you
it,
get the fuel filter wrong? Jesus Christ,
Then
it's
I-
like right on top of the engine.
Then I pointed out the wiper motor and said it was the oil filter.
Oh yes. Oh yeah.
I was like, I
and then
think
you're
that's
like,
the oil filter.
Where's the dipstick?
Oh yeah, that's Harley.
Yeah. And I was like,
Dipstick.
where's the no oil?
Oh yeah, because the oil was clear.
Yeah. No oil.
And then Harley was like, you might as well just start it. Well, no, I'm like, you might as well just start it with that on.
You know, like a year before you got the bread van, me and Harley were gonna try and do a head gasket on the Sargento.
No, you fucking wasn't.
We thought it was the head gasket was gone for some reason. We were gonna do it. We were like about to do it.
We
but
thought
we
the
were about to do it, but it started raining, so Harley couldn't come. So it was like the closest save in history. If we had done that, the engine would just been destroyed.
No, you and Harley said that my head gasket was gone because there was a little bit of milky residue underneath the oil cup, like the tiniest little bit, and you was like, your head gasket was gone.
This was years ago, man. We were all retarded.
And then in the winter,
We thought the Sargento's head gasket was gone because it didn't start.
No, and then in the winter, right, the bread van's exhaust would smoke.
Right, so here we go. L weld is starting.
I'm a professional welder. I've not welded in ages. I should probably just maybe practice on a bit of this quick.
Are you just worried?
Well, I just don't want it to fucking kill me.
You don't want it to kill you?
Yeah. No, I don't want to mess up. That's what I mean.
I think this is time to look away.
No, I've not even plugged it in yet.
Oh, right.
Get the gas on.
Clarky MiG 135 TE turbo.
Not bad for 50 quid.
On 50 squids. The iBallistic squid.
The iBallistic squid.
Did you watch iBallistic squid?
Well, I watched Stampy.
Fair enough. You watched Stampy, but you weren't good enough for iBallistic squid.
No, Stampy was better, man.
Did you think? I think Stampy was better than iBallistic squid, but
iBallistic squid was in Stampy as well. So.
he was inside Stampy.
Yeah.
That's
I saw
a bit weird.
videos of it.
Stop talking about Alpha Lee.
Oh yeah, he was a nonce or something.
Yeah, no, he got caught trying to groom like 10-year-old girls. I need to look away now.
I'm going to look away as well.
Yeah, because you've got no battery. Okay, 2, 3, 1.
I don't even know if it's on the right settings. I'm just going to wing it. That's mint.
What?
You can look back. It's not on a bit of bare metal. I just tried it just anywhere. It didn't work. There you go, a tiny bit of bare metal. Just make sure I can still penetrate.
You can't penetrate, man.
Say, I don't know how to weld apparently. You can look! Can't bother to find a bit of bare metal.
Try weld.
I just did!
Didn't work.
No.
Great, so that's promising. Probably got in a bad earth or something. Got an earth there.
The bad earth? I'm doing it straight onto the metal.
Yeah, but there's, I don't know.
I'm gonna try and just fucking chip paint off. You know what I could do it on actually?
We are professional over here at Tom Review 1905 HQ. And the Austin Leyland Morris LTD. This is what we're fixing today, that bit there, and we're going to fix the massive Illuminati confirmed square there.
VW Polo Mark II midsection.
What the hell are you going to do that? Oh, you're going to use that as an earth. The bread van helps the Marina.
No, I'm just practicing.
Okay. Hey, don't.
I'm only just putting the gloves on. I'll tell you when to look away.
Okay. Okay, look away. Are you finished? It's done. Look how spots in here.
Pardon?
Wait, you done?
Yeah. It's an alright weld.
Oh, that's good enough.
Right, to the Marina.
Straight from exhausted while doing the panel. Look at that. You know what, it's not even that bad.
That's one of my shittest welds as well. So,
Sorry, Mr. Welder. That's one of my worst.
yeah.
You're looking at that, that's one of my worst, so.
Yeah, exactly.
I think me wanting that for this channel is not really it now, is it?
What do you mean?
I don't want that anyway, but I think the offer's gone now.
Oh, you can still have it. I'll still be steaming hot, so you don't roll that towards me. Do you reckon you'll be able to hold the metal in while I weld it?
You taking the piss? No. Just get a piece of sellotape or something.
No, I'll hold it in.
Jesus Christ.
What?
I can just imagine that.
Imagine what?
Oh my god, I bet you're going to be so hyped off doing the first bit of welding, the first delete of this pain that hurt. Jesus Christ, George, you could have told me. George!
That's what I thought would happen.
What?
Oh, could you grab me my wire cutters, please? I don't know where they are.
You're just messing up your wire because there's nothing to work. Oh, there it is.
Excuse me.
Oh, fuck's sake. What the hell are you doing? What are you doing?
Getting this boring.
Right, we'll come back when there's actually welding. So this is the end of this episode. We got it's kind of welded. We need to finish it
Marina
though.
had its first bit of welding done.
Exactly. And then it can weld, and it can do a welding, and it can weld.
Yeah, but I ran out of welding wire just at the last corner. So there's like one corner of it that's not welded.
Yeah.
So
The weld's not pretty, but as long as it's solid.
I've hit it with a hammer and it's not fallen off.
Exactly. So it's better than what it was originally. So basically, it's a win. There's probably going to be about 50 parts of this series, so
50?
yeah,
What, 150?
probably, because there's not one bit of this car that isn't rotten.
Yeah, there is.
What?
The roof. The top of the roof.
Yeah, exactly. There's some bits of the roof, like the pillars, that have rotten. So yeah, please just may everyone pray for us. You know.
Donate £1 to these starving kids because they spend all their time.
No, spend all their time and their money just trying to get their shit boxes right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Well, this is the end of the episode because it got 1%. So goodbye, Black Russian.